everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll talk about flex prompt templates and how we can create it with record merge fields. So let's get started. Flex prompt templates generate content for business purposes that is not covered by any other prompt template types, which allows you to define your own resources. It automates text generation for PDFs, email, social media posts, newsletters, and many more using Einstein generative AI and LLM. Its key features includes customizable prompts, which allows you to create entirely custom prompts, and you can define the parameters based on your business needs, whether it's for marketing, customer support, or internal communications. It has no predefined entry points, unlike other prompt template types that are designed with specific fields or entry points. These are open-ended, which allows you to select any object in the organization for total flexibility and personalized content creation. And last but not the least, flexible application. It allows you to apply the generated content across various business areas wherever it's needed without any restrictions on the entry points. So that's a bit about flex prompt templates. Now let's see the use case that we are going to implement today. So let's say you are a sales representative at USA Major and is working on closing a high value deal for an assigned account. Now you need to send a personalized email to the customer specifically targeting the opportunity with the highest value. So basically it means that you're working on an account which has multiple opportunities. Now you have to check for the opportunity that has the highest value, and then you have to send out a personalized email to your customer targeting that opportunity so that you can close that deal. So that's our use case that we are going to implement today using flex prompt template. So let's get started. Log into your Salesforce org and navigate to setup and search for prompt builder in the quick find. Now click on this new prompt template button, and from the prompt template type select the flex type. Now let's give any name to our prompt template, and from here you can give the source objects that you're going to use in your prompt template instructions. So basically you can define up to 5 sources for your flex template, and the source type could be object or free text. So if you want to give an object as an input, you can select the object source type and select the object from here. And if you want to give any random text as an input, you can select this type and give any unique API name, and it will do your work. So right now, as we are working on the account object, I'm selecting the source type as object, and I'm giving the name as account, and from the object I'm selecting the account object. So let's click on next. Now in the prompt template workspace, we can write our prompt instructions. So I've already written one instruction. Let me just copy it and I'm pasting it here. So as an instruction, I'm saying that you're a sales representative for your organization and you're assigned an account. So let me just replace these placeholders with the actual CRM resources. So I'm replacing the organization name with the current organization name resource. Similarly, I'm replacing the account name placeholder with the account name resource. Now I'm writing to inspect all of the opportunity records from the related opportunity list available for this particular account and figure out which opportunity has the highest amount. So this is again a placeholder. Let me just replace it with the actual related list opportunity records for the account object. So for that, select the account resource and scroll down to the bottom, and we will find the related lists available for the account object. Here we can see. So all of these objects that we are seeing here, cases, contact point address, entitlements, opportunities, orders, related contacts. So all of these are nothing but the related list available for the account object. So as we want the opportunities, I'm just selecting the opportunities here. Now In the instructions, I'm saying just simply tell the customer that you are very excited to work on that opportunity and close the deal. Suggest a telephone call with them, and then I'm writing to address the email to the contact with the most senior title, and make sure you address it to the person with an order of first name and last name. Now, to get the contact with the most senior title, we have to again replace this placeholder with the related contacts available for the particular account. So let's just replace this placeholder with the account related contacts. Here we can see contacts. So what it will do is it will check all the contacts available for this account, and it will see which contact has the most senior title, and it will address your email to that particular contact. And similarly here it will fetch all the opportunities available for this account, and it will find out which opportunity has the highest amount, and it will give you the result. So now that our template instructions are done, let's simply preview it. So for that, I'm just selecting account object. So I'm selecting account record here and clicking on the save and preview. So we can see we have received the template resolution and response, and in the resolution we can see the related opportunities is replaced with the actual opportunities that are available for that account. And as a response, we have received the concise email including all the information that we have written in our template instructions, and we can see the email is addressing the opportunity that has the highest amount, and it is writing the email to the contact which has the most senior title. So it has given us the basic email that we have that we wanted, and that includes all the instruction that we were expecting. Now that our template is ready, let's activate this. Now you must be thinking, what is the difference between the sales email and this flex template? Because sales email also does the same thing, it also generates the email for us. Now the main difference is, in the flex prompt template you can select multiple objects as an source input. So you can define up to 5 sources, and it could be either object, and if you want you can also define any free text as an input, so which gives you more flexibility over the other prompt template types for your business processes. So now as our prompt template is ready, let's see where we can use it in our flows. So let's navigate to flows from setup. Click on new flow, start from scratch, and let's select record triggered flow for now. Now in the triggering object, I'm selecting account. Let's close this. And now to invoke our prompt template from flows, we have to select the action, and inside it we have to search our prompt template. Here we can see our prompt template is coming as an option. Now let's select our prompt template and give any random name. Now as an input we have to pass the account object from here. So when creating our prompt template, we have selected the account object as a source type, so that's why we have to pass the account record from here as an input. So what it will do is, our flow will pass the account from to our prompt template, and as a result our prompt template will return the prompt response, and we can store that response in any of the variables. So what we can do is, we can create any custom variable. Data type is text, and done. So this variable email body will contain the response which is received from our prompt template, and as a input we are passing the account record to our prompt template. And then we can simply call the send email action and use our variable that contains the body. So we can use this variable in the body, and it will automatically add the body of your email into this body attribute. Now this way you can completely automate your action and save a lot of time by just few point and clicks. So that's all for this video, and if you have any questions or feedbacks or any queries, please feel free to post in the comment section, and thanks for watching.